Alright, I'm going to now start going over a series of demos on making drawings. So we have this part here. Let's hit this drop down and say make drawing from part. Click that. Now we can select a template. So we can select the default format templates right here, or we can also browse for custom ones, and we can also display whether we want this formatting to show when we create it. So let's pick ANSI B landscape. Let's show the format. Click OK. Now we end up with a title block, and oh, this is not so big. Then we also get the view palette over here, which we can refresh with this button. We can also switch between which drawing or which part model we want to pick from. I want to go from this one. So let's go ahead and just drag a view on there. Click check for now. So now what we're left with is this title block, and we also have this border. This border is pretty coarse, so what I like to do is go to properties, sheet format, properties, and zone parameters. And then we can very quickly change the number of rows and columns that we have in our zone. So let's go apply that, and now we can see that it updated. Now we have 4 and 6. That makes it a lot easier to, if you have a large drawing, if you're trying to call out something specific, to be able to aim better. So that's how you change the size of the divisions on the outside of the border.